AcreValue gives you 2 ways to access comparable land sales. Perfect for valuing properties, supporting pricing decisions, and building comp reports. Section 1. Automated sales comps for quick checks. Start with the Automated Sale Comp tool. Click any parcel and select Get Full Report to open the digital parcel report. Inside, scroll to the Comparable Sales section to see 3 nearby comps. These aren't your only comps. Think of them as a quick gut check for instant context before you dive deeper into the database. Section 2. Sales Comp Database for in-depth analysis. For a full analysis, use the Sale Comp Database. Apply advanced filters like sale date, acreage, land use, soil productivity, or buyer and seller types to find like-kind properties that closely match your target parcel. While the digital report provides algorithm-selected nearby comps, the database lets you control the search, ideal for brokers, lenders, and analysts building detailed comp reports or appraisals. Section 3. Working with your comps. Once you've narrowed your list, switch to List View to review comps in detail. Need to take your data further? You can download a professional PDF report for presentations, or instantly purchase our print room-ready CSV through our self-service data center. This removes the wait for custom requests and gives you your comp data in seconds. Use the Automated Sale Comp tool for quick insights or the Sales Comp Database for in-depth analysis. Together, they give you the market intelligence you need to price land confidently.